Hey, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. I hope you guys are having an awesomely amazing day, guys. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a couple items I got from Amazon. Now, two of the items, well, it's two different things, but one of them there's two of. I was contemplating getting these for years, and you guys know I love organization and I am a cooker. I love to make lots of things homemade and from scratch. If you are new to the channel, check out Cooking with CPR for the Body. And that was the old channel name. And that's where you can see all my from scratch meals and cookies and cakes and breads and all that great stuff, and share those. A lot of people enjoy those. I get a lot of feedback on my cooking videos. And if you're also new, I have another channel. It's an inspiration channel. I am a transformation coach, a sound healing practitioner, and I am a meditating mentor. So if that's something you're interested in, check out the CPR Vibe. The link to that channel should be below, and everything to get in touch with me in regards to those services is below those videos on that channel. So guys, let's move into this. These are some things that I've been wondering, you know how you keep stuff in your brain on a list or in a card or something like that, and you just keep thinking about it? I said, you know what? We do love pizza, and I really love to spruce up things and do things my own way. And sometimes I make my homemade dough and I make the little mini pizza. Sometimes I do the semi-homemade and I'll do biscuits or croissants or different things like that and make pizzas. But my daughter loves pizza, my little one. So I am surprising her by getting this item that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And then we are a family that loves cereal. I'm pretty sure a lot of you probably have this or are contemplating if you want to get it. So I decided to get these two items. And then I got something for her room because I'm going to be doing her room makeover. So yeah, let's get into these boxes. I'm going to open them up and then I will be right back. Oh, this is an unboxing, right? So number one is this, and this is something I got because it's time, and I feel like we should change these kind of often, and it depends on how well they wash and all that good stuff as well. So I just opened that, and that is a waterproof smooth jersey mattress protector. The actual reviews were really good, and guys, this was only $11.76 with taxes. So I will keep you guys posted on how this works. That's going to be going on her bed. This is a twin size, and they have all the way up to California King. I had purchased some bamboo ones off of Groupons, and for twin, it was like 27. I think for a king, it was 37 and no 47. And then for a full for Naya, it was like 37 or something like that. Which I was like, When I went to Groupons, I said, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go to Groupons again. I'm gonna try to save some coins and find it in another place. So that's that. The next box is this right here. And I am excited. I'm hiding my address. That's why I'm unboxing it this way. And I'm gonna show you these items. Dun, 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 dun. What is it? Bam. These are little. These feel really little. Gosh, how much cereal can I put in them? So it was better to buy individual ones versus two, because they have them where they're stuck together and you can get two, and it was 26 and some change. But you know, buying each individual, and this ended up being 25, 30 something. I know, but every coin counts because it can be invested, guys. Okay, so yeah, this is the cereal dispenser, and I went with the white. The black was actually more expensive. Go figure. Anyway, so yeah, that's that. And I have two of those. So let me get the other out. Boom. So that's everything that came in the box. And yeah, this looks really simple, if I say so myself. That's it. Yeah, I don't know. This is it. Okay, well, let me see if I can figure it out really quick, because it hasn't figured out. See, that's our problem. We have instructions. Let's do it by the instructions. I'll be right back. Okay, really simple. Really simple. And it just twists. Okay, I think I might like this. Let me bring it closer. And so, Can Honeydew, I guess that's the name of the company. We'll just kind of pop that in like that. Okay, I'm liking it. Let's see. The seal is not too bad. Wait, let me see. Wait. Okay, it feels pretty good. I was like, wait a minute, I don't want my cereal getting stale. Because I did hear some people say that, but then others said it's because they probably didn't put it down. But yeah, the assembly was really simple on that. So I have two of those, and yeah, let me get the other one out. Well, I really don't have to, because I want to do a quick assembling of this for how to assemble as another video, because this video, I mean, some things may seem simple to others, to some people, but sometimes it's not. So my other one I'll use as a separate video to assemble, and I'll just insert pictures after I clean it out of what it looks like with the cereal in it and how it works in that video of assembly. So, or maybe in the video of this one, I'll show you what the cereal looks like in it, but the assembly video, I'll probably do a how it works type of thing. I don't know, we'll see. You'll see. It'll be in the video if I decide. All right, let's go to the next thing. So what is this? What is this? All right. Let me show you. I'm so excited. So, slit the middle. We're gonna slit the sides. Some of you may have guessed it. And the deal on this was a lightning deal. And I was like, oh yeah, gonna grab it. Because it is, I think it was like 50% off. Yeah. And the reviews were amazing. So, boom. Let me get this out of my way. So this is from Koozie Gourmet, and it is dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, stay up. It is a pizza stone set with, and it's heavy, a pizza stone set for making homemade pizzas. And it is I think this is a 16-inch. And it comes with a board to put the pizza on and off the stone, and a cutter, bamboo. Now, you can keep it in your stove, or you can keep it on your counter, or whatever. This was actually, let me see, I believe this was $29.99. Let me see. It ended up being, it was, the original price of this was $43. That's what it was, $43. I thought $50. Oh, that was the other thing I was looking at. It actually ended up being $32.07 with tax. It was originally basically $44. So I got that. Yeah, I got that. I'm excited about that. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It says, thanks, we appreciate your purchase. We love our products and customers, and we stand by them. For a 3-year warranty, I'll go there. And then it says general care and all that good stuff. Then on the back, it shows about us. Use the hashtag Koozie Gourmet showing off your bamboo pizza peel. That's what it is. Why I said pizza board? Well, some people say boards. I say pills. Cutters and stones for a chance to be featured on our social channel. Please leave us a review on Amazon. So yeah, that's that. Now, for those of you who like pizza and are interested in doing this, I feel like this is a great investment. If you think about buying pizzas, it takes less than $2 to $3 to make dough that would allow you to make several pizzas. And then this particular set was $30-something, and it'll allow you to get the nice crisp New York style pizzas if you like those, because that's what I like, that New York style pizza with the crisp and then the cheesiness. It'll allow you to get that. And this was only a $32 investment, and we can actually make this a family thing and a time of gathering. So we can have our pizza night. Everybody choose what kind of pizza they want, and then we kind of make like 2 or 3 different pizzas and kind of just vibe out, have movie night on the big projector and enjoy one another. That's the importance of these things. This just not to buy these things just to show these things. These things are for me to create memories with my family, and to also show them how they can pass these things down in the future with us having pizza nights, date nights, just different fun things. So that's what this unboxing was. I'm excited about using this, and I hope you guys are loving the channel. If you are, join my family by subscribing, hit that notification bell, share the channel. And guys, there's a lot of videos to binge watch. A lot of people are grateful for some videos that help them in some way, shape, or form with saving or cooking and different things like that. But guys, it's a lot of videos to watch. So share the channel and binge watch. Binge watch. Ask questions. I'll always comment back when you leave a comment. And yeah, I will see you guys later. If you have any questions, leave them below. I will see you guys later. Gators.